Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be putting two popular dash cams head-to-head to see which one comes out on top. In the left corner, we have the WiFi dash cam, and in the right corner, we have the Cosuvow dash cam 4K front dash camera for cars. Let's dive in and see which one is worth your hard-earned money. Alright, let's talk about the most important aspect of a dash cam video quality. The WiFi dash cam boasts a real 4K+1080P dual camera setup. With its Ultra 4K front cam and FHD 1080p rear slide cam, you won't miss any crucial details like road signs or vehicle plates. Plus, the wide-angle lenses ensure you capture everything you need. On the other hand, the Cosuvow dashcam also offers a stunning 4K resolution. Its advanced Starvis sensor and 6-glass lens guarantee Ultra HD footage. And don't worry about nighttime recordings, because the WDR and night vision features maintain video clarity and color accuracy. Both cameras offer exceptional video quality, but the WiFi dashcam takes the win with its dual camera setup, giving you more coverage on the road. Now let's talk about connectivity and control. The WiFi dashcam comes with Wi-Fi and phone app control. You can access and download your recordings, watch live streams, and even share your footage directly to social media. It's all at your fingertips with this sleek dashcam. Meanwhile, the Cosuvow dashcam also offers Wi-Fi app control. You can view live footage, replay recordings, change settings, and share your videos with just a tap of your fingers. It's convenient and user-friendly. It's a close call, but the WiFi dashcam takes the win here. Its app interface is more intuitive and offers additional features, making it a breeze to use. Let's move on to the additional features that these dashcams offer. The WiFi dashcam gives you the option to install it on either the front or rear windshield. This flexibility allows you to record inside the car or monitor the backside. Plus, its crystal night vision with HDR ensures clear footage, even in low-light conditions. On the other hand, the Cosuvow dashcam impresses us with its fashionable mini design. It's discreet and won't block your sight while driving. You can also adjust the angle of the front camera to get the best view of the road. While both dashcams have their unique features, the WiFi dashcam takes the win here with its dual installation options and exceptional night vision capabilities. The WiFi dashcam has received positive reviews for its easy installation, functionality, picture quality, and app integration. Customers have praised its dual camera setup, Wi-Fi, and app control and crystal night vision. On the other hand, the Cosuvow dashcam has been praised for its clear video quality, ease of use, and budget-friendly price. Customers have also appreciated its Wi-Fi app, control, and discreet design. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the WiFi dashcam and the Cosuvow dashcam 4K front dash camera for cars, and both cameras offer impressive features. However, if you're looking for top-notch video quality, extensive connectivity options, and additional features like dual installation and crystal night vision, the WiFi dashcam is the one for you. Remember, it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a purchase. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next one.